if tomorrow never comes? Will she know how much I loved her? 'Cause what she's doing now is tearing me apart, filling up my mind and emptying my heart. All my cards are on the table with no ace left in the hole. I'm much too young to feel this damn old, but I will sail my vessel till the river runs dry, like a bird upon the wind. These waters are my sky. She saw New York and then LA and every town along the way. She's every place that I've ever been. Sometimes I thank God for unanswered prayers. Remember when you're talking to the man upstairs? Our lives are better left to chance. I could have missed the pain, but I'd have had to miss